Hey, welcome to Scripting 3, where you can learn all about Google Apps Script in around 3 minutes or less. We will try very hard for that. Okay, so today we're going to learn about adding custom sidebars to a Google Apps Script. I've got a link here to the Google Docs for this. You can see the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos as we're going forward. Alright, so here, scrolling down here, there is some Code.js here. I've got a brand, I'm going to copy that. This is going to go in the GS file. And then if I open up my brand new Google file, Google spreadsheet here, go to Tools and then Script Editor. It will look something like this. I'm going to paste in that piece of code. And here we're basically saying on open, which is when the script, when the Google Doc opens or the Google Sheet opens, please show get the user interface and please show or create a menu. The menu is going to be called custom menu, and then the custom menu is going to have an item added to it called show sidebar, and that show sidebar when clicked triggers this function here called show sidebar, and this is the function here. So when that function runs, it will call the HTML service and ask it to create or to bring forward a page. The page is not created yet. We're going to get to that in a minute. And then we've got set title. This is going to be the title of the sidebar. Then the width of the sidebar. And then it says here is actually going to render it. Please show the sidebar. So going back to this page, we're going to need a new file called page, like so. And that brings up this basic HTML boilerplate. Then we go back to here and we're going to collect this piece of code here and paste that in here. And essentially this is going to put hello world onto that side menu. It's going to do some, put a button on there as well. There's a button, and then on the click of the button it will do google.script.host.close and it will close the sidebar. So if we now save this, so what's going to save all of these, and what's going to happen at the moment is nothing. So I'll go back to the Google script, and you have to run one time this on open. So if I click on here, click on open, press on open, and then Google will go through this permissions screen. And because this is not published, it's going to be come up with this warning here. Just click advanced, go down to the bottom part there. Don't care about that at the moment. We'll talk about that in a different video. Then click on allow. And that's it, we're set to go. And I give this a title. I'm going to call this sidebar, like so, and then go back to the script, and you will see hopefully an add-on will come up in here, and let's go back and reload this one again. There it is. No, there it is there, custom menu, and it came up there, custom menu. You can then click that, click on show sidebar, and there's the sidebar, and there's the close button on there. And we'll talk about other things that you can do there in other videos. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.